This here is my second planter, and I'm taking a 4x4 7-foot long post, splitting it in half to make them my legs. Here I'm going to draw the line where my side wall is going to be and the bottom wall is going to be, I guess. So to remove the wood, I'm using my circle saw to make small cuts and using my chisel to remove the waste. This little part here is for the bottom of the planter. So for each post, I need to mirror the other side. So here is the back wall of the planter, and then I'm going to cut the bottom part of the planter. I was able to get 4 of these scrap pieces of wood from Lowe's. They call them stickers. They are part of a pallet. So I'm going to use them as the bottom support of the planter. These stickers are great because they already come with a groove in the center of the stickers. So it'll be great for the slats to go in. And this is how all of the 4 posts looks like with everything notched out. Now I'm going to take the stickers and I'm going to cut the grooves a little deeper so that the slats can actually fit in there with more room. At the moment, it is too shallow for all the slats to fit in. And this is how it looks like in the end. So when I join the sides together, these side stickers together, they interfere with each other. So I'm cutting off some notches so that when they fit perfectly. So the assembly is going to be just purely Titebond 2 glue with 4-inch nails. The nails is just going to hold the pieces of wood together until the glue completely dries. These next 4 cuts will be for the side wall of the planter. So school is out and I have Ethan helping me out with the assembly. I want to teach him how to assemble stuff and how to use the nail gun and the hammer. So I thought this would be an easy project for him to learn how to use all this equipment and the safety equipment that comes along or goes along with woodworking.
Good. Good.
Subscribe to my channel. Adventure Time with Ethan.
Huh?
I was telling him to subscribe to my channel.
Is this still recording?
It's recording.
Yeah?
Yeah. Subscribe to my channel, Adventure Time with Ethan, guys.
Tap. Tap. Okay. In. Good. Okay. Good. Okay. Right is right. You hold, lean it. Okay, go. Take it up. Okay, you can still. Ready? Yeah. That's in. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Hammer. Whack it in. Don't use your finger. Okay, good. Let me see this in the pit before I... Okay, go ahead.
So here's where the stickers with the slots come into play. I can now easily slide in the slats into place. It is pretty much just shoving the slots, and what happens is it actually starts to strengthen up the planter. It becomes a lot stiffer because now there's support. Here I am just nailing in one nail into each slat into the sticker or frame, which makes it sturdier. With all the leftover scraps, I am using them to stiffen up the bottom of the planter. I'm also using it on the sidewall so that the top piece and the bottom piece remains together. I am using a pine strip to give this planter a border and a contrast in color. The pine strip is also water sealed. It's time for insulation. So what I did was I dug the 4 holes for the planter to sit in. And of course they were kind of off a little bit, so I am just adjusting them right now. And after the dirt is put back in, I have my son filling it with water so that the dirt gets compressed. And then here we are laying some liner for the planter. This here will keep my water in, and whatever water I have extra will just leak out into the holes that I eventually drilled. That is off camera. So half the planter is filled in with my homemade compost, and then we topped it off with some store-bought compost. And here is my wonderful, I'm very proud planter version 2. It has all of the veggies that we eat. So here I have the Thai basil, lemongrass, kale, what do you call that, chives, cilantro, red pepper, and another pepper, and oregano. I think it looks really nice. I also have a sprinkler hose attached to it in the back, just like my first planter. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.